Today, I'll walk you through how to whitelist your IP address on Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your access so you can manage your website without interruptions. First, let's get started by opening your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your settings. If you're unsure where to find it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just look for the main menu. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and click on the domain you want to work with. This is similar to selecting a specific book from a library. Each domain has its own unique settings. Next, click on the Overview tab. This section provides a snapshot of your domain's current status and settings. It's important to have this overview before making any changes. Now, find and click on the specific domain you want to whitelist your IP for. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you're applying the changes to the correct domain, much like making sure you're editing the right document before saving. After selecting your domain, look for the Settings menu on the left side and click on Security. This is where all your security-related settings are housed. In the Security section, click on Security Rules. Here, you can manage various rules that protect your domain from unwanted access. Now, it's time to create a new rule. Click on Create Rule and then select Custom Rule. This is where you'll define the specifics of your IP whitelisting. You'll need to fill in the rule name, field, operator, and value. Think of this step as filling out a form where you specify who gets access, in this case your own IP address. Finally, click on Deploy. This step is akin to hitting the Publish button on a blog post. It makes your changes live and effective. And there you have it. You've successfully whitelisted your IP address on Cloudflare. This process helps ensure that your access remains uninterrupted, allowing you to manage your website with ease. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.